Washington, are you in position?
Affirmative. Ready on your signal.
Can you see us?
Sergeant.
Well, what the hell?
Contact on both of you.
We've got a group of mercs guarding the bridge outpost.
Acknowledge. We'll take them out.
Plug.
Confirm.
Plug. Plug.
Kills. The area is clear.
I need more bullets! I need more bullets! I need
Thanks,
more
Corporal.
bullets! I need more
Moving to
bullets!
the outpost.
Contact. Tango's patrolling ahead of your position.
Copy that. Neutralize the hostiles.
Clearing the area now. Walker, I spot hostiles on the bridge, near the AV.
Plug.
Another kill.
Plug.
You've got the shot. Take it.
Plug.
Takedown.
Plug.
Kill confirmed. Area clear.
Understood. Approaching the bridge.
Downs. There's a KPR patrol heading your way.
Fire at will.
Going hot.
Plug.
I see Tangos at the end of the bridge.
Plug.
Bust them. Tango's eliminated.
Nice shooting, Walker.
The fuck?
Corporal, we made it into the hangar. Getting ready to infiltrate the main building.
Acknowledged. We'll take over watch. Walker, watch for enemy movements around the main building. Kill confirmed.
We've reached the building. Go to sweep the air intel. Go cold and stay silent until we've located the intelligence. After we've secured it, we'll start phase 2 of the op.
Orders received. Good hunting.
Hey, Walker, you ever think about a Russian mail-order bride? I mean, if I pick one up while I'm already here, I could save on postage, right?
Kill confirmed. How long does it take to find some intel? You hack a computer, sort through some redacted files.
Oh shit!
We're spotted. Taking fire from KPR Merc. Time for plan B.
We have a plan B?
Regroup at the train tunnel.
Affirmative. Walker, let's get to the station. Walker, I have Tango's mobile. Go hot. Area clear. Let's get across the bridge. Heads up! Snipers! Take out those shooters!
Nicely done.
Enemies neutralized. Let's move. We're closing in on the hangar. Gotta find the station. Come on, Walker.
Hostile spotted. 12 o'clock. I need cover fire.
Train station is on the other side. Walker, give me a hand. I'll go help Sergeant. Keep looking for the gate's control room. Has to be around here somewhere.